In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create multiple Shopify stores on one account. Once you are signed into Shopify, you can create an additional store without making a brand new login. This is useful if you want separate storefronts for different brands, product lines, regions, or business models, while still keeping access organized under one account. To begin, find and click the option that says Create Another Store. This starts the setup process for a new, separate Shopify store. Keep in mind that each store you create is its own workspace, with its own products, theme, settings, and billing. So even though you are using one account to access them, they behave like fully independent stores. Next, you will choose the store purpose. This helps Shopify tailor the setup for what you are building. For example, you might select Online Store if you are planning to sell products directly through a storefront. Take a moment to pick the option that best matches your goal, because it can influence the default settings and the prompts you see during setup. After that, you will enter your store name and your URL. The store name is what you will see in your Shopify admin, and it is often what customers will see as your brand name, depending on your theme and settings. Choose something clear and recognizable. Then enter the URL you want for the store. This becomes the initial web address Shopify assigns, typically on a My Shopify domain. Make sure it is spelled correctly and easy to read, because you will use it when identifying and accessing the store later. If the URL you want is not available, Shopify will prompt you to adjust it until you find an available version. When you are ready, click Create Store. Shopify will take a moment to generate the new store and load you into its admin area. From there, you can start customizing your new storefront, adding products, and adjusting settings, while still being able to switch back to your other stores from your account. That covers everything you need to know.